Welcome students. This is the second part of for loop lesson. Right? In this lesson, we hope to cover more details about for loop. Right? Now you know for loop has three statements: initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. Right? Okay. Now I remove this for loop and add default for loop. Right? Console dot write line is high. Okay. Right? Think about this. Right? This statement we increment I one by one. Right? Increment by one. Think about this. If you want to increment by 2, 3, 5 or like that, what should we use? First, I use increment by 1 like this. This also work, right? There is a two-step pre-increment and post-increment. Right? In C# or other programming language also available pre-increment and post-increment. Right? In later lesson, I will explain that thing, pre-increment and post-increment, how your result will change. No change, right? If I use 1 to 10 less than or equal, you can see there is a build error. Okay, less than or equal. Check that 0 to 10, no differences, right? That means if you use double plus sign and it exactly equal to this one, right? If you use this 2, that means I increment by 2, not only 1, right? If you want to increment 2 or more value, you must use this way, right? Double plus will not work. It use only for increment by 1. Now your result will change to this, right? How this result come? Think about this. First part, I assign 1. Now I value is 1. Then check I is less than or equal 10. Yes, 1 is less than or equal 10. That's true. Then execute the content inside for loop. Mean print I value is 1, right? Now I increment by 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now I value is 3, right? 3 is less than or equal 10. Yes. Then print 3, right? In third part not in fourth part, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now I is 5, right? 5 is less than or equal 10. Yes. Then 5 print. In last part, 5 plus 2 is 7, right? Then check 7 is less than or equal 10. Yeah, that is true. Then print 7. Then last part, 7 plus 2 is 9. Then check 9 is less than or equal 10. Yeah, then 9 also print. Then next part, 9 plus 2 is 11. Then check 11 is less than or equal 10. No, it's false. Terminate your for, right? That's the way. That's why we get this result, right? Okay, now you know what is for loop, what is the step, and these two steps execute first and run the content inside for loop, and as last step we use this one, right? Think about this. If you use two for loop inside one for loop, what will be the result? Okay, I use 4. Right now I can't use I variable. The reason is this I is local to this for loop, right? This bracket, right? Within that bracket I can't create same name local variable, so I change this to G. 5. Control X, right? What will be the result? For arranging, all right, what will be the result, right? Right? First, remember this thing, right? As first part, initialize the value. First I is 1, then check I less than or equal 10. Yeah, that is true. Then execute the content inside your for loop, right? That for loop has one more for loop, right? Now execute this for loop. Now execute this for loop. I as 1, right? I as 1, then it also it will loop 5 times, right? 5 times, then use I. We said this kind of loop as nested for loop, right? Actually this part is very important. The reason is we practice your code with this kind of nested loop, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move into next lesson.